How to fix unable to follow anyone on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix unable to follow anyone error on TikTok. Well, if you're having trouble following users on TikTok, it could be due to a few reasons, including if you're following too many people in a certain span of time. So if you just go ahead and follow randomly everyone and without any break, and just follows too many people in a short period of time, a temporary glitch with the app or even potential account restrictions might happen. To troubleshoot, you want to try clearing the TikTok cache. Simply head over to settings. From settings, you want to head into the apps option. Once on the apps, you can look in for TikTok. And once you have got the TikTok, open there and tap on stories and tap on clear cache. This will fix the issue. You also want to ensure that you're not using a VPN sometimes, which can cause the glitch. And switching to your mobile network, if the issue persists, you may need to wait a while or contact TikTok support. Now, I would recommend you to wait for a while because if you're unable to follow someone, it might just be a shadow ban and you can wait and you can try that again later. However, if you're unable to follow anyone for past couple of days or for the longer period of time, then you might want to contact TikTok support. I've already made a video on how you can contact TikTok support. You can check out my channel for it. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.